Hey, how you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome. Today is May 6th. It's around about 7:44, 7:45 in the morning. We're looking for a trade setup. So what I noticed this morning when I woke up was the market was actually going down. Actually went down to a lower level today. And right now we kind of in this space where the market is popped up a little bit. It went and pretty much almost touched yesterday close, so it's playing around in that range, mostly yesterday close and yesterday low. So hopefully we can get a trade set up. Right now all my signals is telling me that we want to go back long, which means the market's going back up. So we're going to look for a trade that kind of correspond with that movement. Okay. So pretty much seeing the correction. I just want to make sure it's going to fail from going down lower than what it was before. Okay, so let's get into the trade, see what we can materialize. I'm looking at the this little hot spot here. So right there. Okay. Boom. Took us out. There we go. Okay, so we made $170 today. So took us around about 4 minutes to find the trade, but you can see how long we was actually in the trade. So let me go to simulation there. And oh, I was just playing around with simulation last night. That's why you see that number at about 14:30. Just market has some really good moves. Wanted to take advantage of practicing my craft, right? So I'll show you what I did in the live market today. $835. Okay, so that's my live account. And let's go back to sim. All right, cool. All right, guys. So what I really want to kind of focus on too is to reiterate. Okay, this is not about making the big hit. Okay, get that out your mind. We have to get out of the programming of everything have to be big, right? When it comes to money, steady growth is the answer. So let's go up here and go back to our journal, right? In the journal, what it's really doing is just kind of keeping us accountable, making sure we do what we say we're gonna do in the market. Okay, so let's put this in here. 170 right today. Great. 170. Okay, so we up 74% a profit in 4 days. 74%, not bad, right? Definitely better than the bank. And again, you know, we just constantly just chopping it up, just going there. Okay, I just wanted to plant the seed, the idea of what's possible. All right, we need to get past the you know, you lose everything. You got complete control of that. Okay, you have complete control of that. And don't get fooled by the colors and the lines. It's too much. I promise you, there's only 5 things you need to know. That's it. And guess what? You can take that knowledge, apply it to the stock market, apply it to options. You can apply it to crypto market, forex. These 5 little things, and we'll talk about it over the course of days. Okay. So just make sure you go to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and hit the notification so when new videos come out, you get a chance to see it. And as well, go to the Facebook group, Lamarr's Day Traders Boot Camp. Okay, MIG Suite. Please share with friends and family. and I'll see you at the bank. Bye bye.